Okay, here we are checking our work from lesson 103. Our first one was number 4, where we had to consider the equation y equals 2x plus 35 as what the gym charges for the membership of $2 for each, a membership fee of $35 a month, and $2 for each class that a person takes. So they wanted us to do it for taking a chart for taking 1, 2, 3, 4 classes. So if you take one class, 1 times 2 is 2, plus $35 is $37. 2 classes should be $39. 3 classes is $41, and 4 classes is $43. So that was your first part. B says, are the number of classes taken and the monthly charges directly proportional? And the answer to that is no. Okay, 37 divided by 1 is 37. 39 divided by 2 is not 37. Okay, so it is not a proportional arrangement. Let's see. Number 5 is still about this arrangement with the gym. Number 5 says, is the gym's formula a function? Yeah, I mean, it'll make a line. It's linear. Is the relationship between the fee and the classes linear or nonlinear? Okay, it is a function because for if you have one class, you're always going to have to pay $37. 2 classes, you're always going to have to pay this. If you take 3 classes, you're always going to have to pay this. 4 classes, always going to have to pay this. Okay, so it is linear. It's just not a direct proportion. Number 6 asks about this set. A asks what could we call this set? And it's the set of positive odd numbers. Okay. B, they want the next 3 terms in the set, 9, 11, and 13. For C, it says a formula for determining the nth number would be this, 2 times n minus 1. So they want us to find the 100th term. So 2 times the number of the term is 100, minus 1, you should have written 199 for the 100th term. Number 7. So we got a cup that's a cylinder, has a diameter of 5 centimeters and a height of 8. So they want us to find the volume, okay? They said the diameter is 5 centimeters and the height is 8. Okay, so to find capital B, area of the base, we've got to use our circle formula. So radius is 2.5. 2.5 squared is 6.25 times pi for the capital B area of the base times the height of 8. So if you left pi as pi, it would be 50 pi centimeters cubed, or if you multiplied it all out, it would be around 157 centimeters cubed. Okay. Number 17, negative 1/3 x rather, minus 3/5 equals 1/3. So the first thing I did was I added 3/5 to both sides. I had to change my denominator to 15, so 3/5 became 9/15. 1/3 became 5/15. That gave me 14/15. Okay, so now I have negative 1/3 x is equal to 14/15. What's happening to x? It's being multiplied by negative 1/3. How do I undo that? Multiply by the reciprocal. So I need to multiply both sides by negative 3/1. My final answer is negative 14/5. Number 18. X squared minus 16 is equal to 9. They want us to solve for x. So I added 16 to both sides. X squared is equal to 25. Square root both sides. And remember, I need the positive and negative root. X is equal to positive or negative 5. Number 19 is a FOIL problem. 3x times x is 3x squared. Outside, 3x times positive 5 is positive 15x. Inside, positive 1 times x is positive x. Last, positive 1 times positive 5 is positive 5. I can combine my positive 15x and positive x. Final answer, 3x squared plus 16x plus 5. Number 20. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. My negative 4x and negative 4x combine. 4x squared minus 8x plus 4. Okay, scientific notation problem. 6 times 5 gives us 30. 10 to the 8 times 10 to the negative 3 gives us 10 to the 5. This 30 is not proper though. The 30 needs to change to 3.0 times 10 to the 1. Then I can bring in my 10 to the 5. Final answer, 3.0 times 10 to the 6th. We need to simplify this. So our x to the negative 2 needs to go downstairs. 3 and 9 reduce to 1 and 3. Y to the 5th and y to the 5th become 1. So I'm left with y over 3x to the 5th. 75% of 5/6 of 4.8. I changed 75% to 3/4 so that I could do this right here. And I reduced my 3 and my 6, and that's a 1 and a 2. I got 5 over 8 times 4.8. I did this on my calculator. 5 over 8 is 0.625 times 4.8. Final answer of 3. Number 24. They want us to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle with this length and width. Okay? 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Positive 3 times 2x, positive 6x. Positive 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. My negative 6x and my positive 6x drop out. So I'm left with 4x squared minus 9 for the area. Perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times positive 3 is positive 6. Positive 2 times positive 2x is positive 4x. Positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. My 4x and my 4x combine, I get 8x. Positive 6 and negative 6, I don't have any more number constants by themselves. So the perimeter is just 8x. Okay? 24 is our new type of problem from today. We had to create a box and whisker plot. So what I did, I used their line plot, and I just wrote down all the data points so that I could start thinking about the median and all that, okay? So I took off, biggest and smallest, 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 and I got 6 as my median. So I put a dot on 6, and I drew a line through it for my median. The first quartile, I'm going to use the numbers below the median, right? Get rid of the biggest and smallest, biggest and smallest. So the first quartile is at 3, so I put a dot on 3 and a line. And then above the median, I'm going to look for my third quartile, 10. Okay, so I'll put a dot on 10, and that's where I created my box. Okay, and my whiskers end at the highest and lowest number. Okay, okay, guys. I hope you all have a great day. See you next time. Bye.